one's becoming a little more rounded. So now here's the side. You can also use this one too. Put that on there. All I'm doing is turning it by hand. It's getting there. I gotta shut it off. Okay. The amount of pressure that you put on this stick will determine, you know, the roundness of it. But once you've got it into basically a round shape or a soft-ended, you know, you're going to put less pressure on it. And let me shut it off because I want this in short segments. So all you have to do is just press